Hello everyone, this is White Bitsanai Baby Girl and welcome back to my channel. As today you saw the thumbnail, I'm going to be going to Shillong Club, which is in PB, for a felicitation program. It's held by the Rotary Club, and so we're going to go there. So let me show you. Kong Kong is getting ready. Here she is. Hi Kong Kong. You don't clear. Okay. We'll see you there when we reach the venue. Lawan is sweet. Hi, sweet. We are about to go, guys. Here we are. Tunggu. Udi, sweet. Goa vibes. Huh? Wow.
A few moments later.
Boleh. Ujulat ran. Ha. Bye bye. Iswi dah orang rekod ha. Sweet fi body shame ya. Fi body shame. Hi. Hihihi. Baju tijong ha. Hihihi. Ani pek sop tijong i. Princess. Okay, princess. Picky lights. Wow. Princess. The guys were here. Yeah, boy.
This is a club, small club. I mean, we are part of Rotary Club of Shillong, and we are the youth wing called Rotary. Talent should be. So this is our first project actually. We did many projects, but officially this is the first one. So please come.
My family.
And this is only during the meeting time. I'm supposed to keep it back here. I can't even carry home. And before we start anything, we actually do the national anthem. Yes. We will sing the national anthem, and then we will proceed with the meeting.
Great joy and pride, we welcome each of you to this special felicitation ceremony hosted by the Rotary Club of Shillong to honor someone who has brought glory not just to herself but to the entire state. So let's go directly to the felicitation segment. As a special token of love.
I really like plants. Thank you so much. I will really take care of this.
Can you look this side once? Wait.
Thank you so much.
Cookies will be
This is nice.
yeah,
Okay, much after.
after 10 days you
This is nice.
Thank you so much for having me. Good evening, everyone. This is Riya Suting, your Miss PNI India 2025. सबसे पहले दिल से thank you for having me. This is an absolute honor, and this has been one of my childhood dream. When I used to see people being invited, being felicitated for their good work, and I used to imagine मेरे साथ ये कब होगा? वो एक सपना था तब का. Me anchoring it, and sir is like, after a few days, sir called me, Riya, would you like to co-host the show with me? And from there it started. From there it started. I was a person who was only attracted by mic, by podium. You all must be wondering what is PNI. This PNI platform has come with a vision which is very inclusive in nature. In whatever way I can contribute, I'll be more than happy to do so. Thank you so much. That would be all. Thank you so much.
Nevertheless, it is nice to be with you in a nice, newly formed Rotary Club and honoring equally Riya here. Nice that I'm present here and to be with you. And I congratulate Riya for bringing laurel to our state.
We enjoyed, and very nice to see all the young faces here, full of possibilities. So
very good evening to one and all present here. It is a privilege and pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of our club. It is an honor to have Riya all the way. We are always with you, and we are already looking for the such enthu and energetic members who would work for the society.
And it motivates that person even more, 100x. And seeing how being living this kind of life, many others might get inspired the way I got inspired during my childhood. Thank you so much.
Thingy light it up. Hi. We'll have some refreshments. Shati, kita nge busy. Shana. Oh, kita nge busy, Shandur. Kong. Như vậy ya, Bom, have some refreshments. Oh, hi. Kong sweet. I'm having samosa.
I'm happy my journey could
Fiz mo lang kum na bam samosa.
Trust me, it's possible. It is really possible. It is not just about external beauty and all that. How are you as an individual inside is more important. How you treat the other people.
So guys, I got sticker from Sir. Kini busy Shandor. Even there. Ini. Hihi. Hi guys. Here, Mary Day. Hello. She's also a member of the Rotary Club. Yes. Guys, we're done with the program. And let's see. Let me show you the Sir Sabir. Hi, sir.
Oh, hi. What's up, everybody? She's a queen of dancing. That's the crown.
So guys, till here, I'm gonna be ending the vlog, and so see you in another one. Bye bye.